Welcome to the online module QR Codes in the Classroom. This tutorial is going to give a quick tour of the course that is housed within Canvas. So on your home page, and I actually want to highlight that I am viewing the course at the moment as a student. On your home page, you'll find some useful information about course dates, the course facilitator, this particular tour, and also contact information. On your course homepage, you will also have a to-do list on the right side. This to-do list will help you progress through the course with particular assignments and even pages. So from the home page, I am going to go to the Modules tab. So over here to the left, you have three options: a home page, grades, and modules. The grades tab is exactly what it says it is. That's where you'll be able to view feedback and grades on particular assignments. So I am going to go ahead and access the modules tab. The modules tab is where you will begin this course. This course has, and I'm just going to close these modules up here. This course has five parts to it. Each of these parts has a task and some information that will be delivered within it. So you can see part one, you'll learn what is a QR code. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up for a second, and you can see what is a QR code that's listed there with a quick task that's within it. Part two, how to use QR codes. There's going to be some instruction on how to download a QR code reader. There's going to be a video provided with some instructions. And then part two is just scanning an embed code to complete a Google form. That is the task. Part three includes ways to use QR codes in the classroom. So there's going to be some information delivered along with the task at the end. And part four, you get to try it out. This means you will be creating your own QR codes and submitting them into an assignment and providing some feedback. Part five, lastly, is just some feedback and a plus-minus interesting evaluation, and then you have completed this course. The very last tab in the modules is a course rubric. So I'm going to go ahead and select the course rubric. This rubric will help you as you are moving through the course with particular tasks that you need to do and in which portion of the module that they lie. So I'm going to go ahead and jump back to modules. And I also want to highlight that as a student, as you click on each of the pages, so if I'm going to start with Welcome to QR Codes Online Module, it actually takes me back to my home page here. I can read through all of the information, and in the very bottom right corner, I can move to Next. So once I review that information and select Next, I'm going to complete a discussion board. So I can select Reply, complete this, and then I can select, once again, Next. Now, I want to highlight heading back to the Modules tab. So now, once I head back to the Modules tab, and let me just go ahead back here, I am going to scroll down, select Next once again. And of course, I would be reading the information and completing what I would need to. But once I head back to the Modules tab, as a student, there will be some green check marks that appear as I complete each of those tasks or each of those to-do items. So I'm going to go ahead and jump back to the home page. Please keep in mind that each Canvas user has an inbox. So there's an inbox over here to the left that if you have any questions, you can send a message from directly within the course, or feel free to reach out to the course facilitator, which is me, below here for any assistance within this module. I look forward to this online module with you.